Look at that. So cool. That's a Bluetooth waterproof speaker, some plants. These are all fake plants. These ones are real though. So we have 2 battery powered candles under the base with a little Buddha. This is a money tree. Probably will die because that's real, but I just put it in there for now. Yeah, this is the setup. What up? Okay, let's go over some home steam room maintenance tips. I'm using a little garden watering can to fill up all of these deep fryers. Like I said, I'm using the steamer just because I missed the return policy, but get deep fryers, they get a lot hotter. But yeah, for the longest time, I was just trying to find the biggest cup in the house, and I come back and forth like 5 times to fill it up. Don't know why it took me so long to get a watering can, but this is big enough to fill all 3 up in one run. I usually put the eucalyptus in the deep fryer right when I get inside after the steam room has heated up for 15 minutes. But I'm putting it in this right now. It's kind of tacky right now. I need to come up with a better solution, but I cover this because I don't like the sun coming in during the day. You do not need a steamer. I just missed the return date on it, late to return it, so I just said, screw it, I'll use it. But the steamers are not as good as the deep fryers like I mentioned in the previous video. So right now, I have 2 deep fryers running. I use 3 if I'm doing it in the morning. And the only maintenance you really need to worry about is this. You can see the rust. When you're done, you need to empty the water out. What I've been doing is I set a timer for 30 minutes after I'm done steaming to remind me to come back downstairs. I've tried to get the rust off. If you guys have any ways, I tried steel wool. I don't know if that's like the proper way to do it, but if you guys know any way to remove rust, let me know. I'm gonna just replace these because I can kind of smell it, and I don't think that's probably necessarily good. Here's what I've added, which is pretty cool. These electric candles. Here's my eucalyptus, and I also added waterproof speaker so I can put on some meditation-y Zen music. And yeah, I'm gonna close this bad boy up, get it steaming, and I will be right back.
Just another sunny day.